Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and today we have with us the Nokia 3.1 Plus. HMD's budget offering is powered by the MediaTek Helio P22 chipset. It is an octa-core chipset with a peak clock speed of 2 GHz. The maximum frequency is clearly higher than the competing Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 that is in the Redmi 6 Pro. But MediaTek chipsets are known to have thermal bottlenecks that slow down the phone. We are currently testing the smartphone for its performance for an in-depth review. The chipset is paired with either 2 or 3 GB of RAM, and the phone is offered in either 16 or 32 GB storage. There is support for expandable storage via the hybrid micro SD slot for up to 400 GB. Nokia considers the hardware setup is more than enough to run the lightweight pure stock Android 8.1 Oreo that the Nokia 3.1 Plus ships with out of the box. Like all Nokia phones, this one too is under the Android 1 certification. Nokia has worked with Google to push out regular security patches, and the phone will also receive version updates for the next 2 years, including Android 9 Pie. For the limited time that we spent with the phone, it felt smooth as silk. There are a handful of essential apps installed and no bloatware. It remains to be seen how the phone holds up in the long run though. Now, the Nokia 3.1 Plus also chooses functionality and practicality over sheer good looks. The phone is housed in a polycarbonate shell, polished to give a rubberized texture that adds to the grip. It isn't quite prone to smudges. The fingerprint sensor is present at the back as well. Up front, the display takes up most of the real estate. Nokia has used a 6-inch IPS LCD HD Plus panel that looks quite good. The panel has the pure black technology Nokia has pioneered that puts a polarizing layer on top of the panel to create deeper blacks. However, there's no oleophobic coating on the panel, and as a result, even a few minutes of usage had my fingerprints all over the panel. There is a 3500 mAh battery powering the device, and there's also an FM radio on board, which is a nice little touch. On the back is a dual camera setup. The Nokia 3.1 Plus touts 13 plus 5 megapixel sensors aligned vertically in the center. Up front is an 8 megapixel sensor. The few images we took in the day were good enough for the phone. The shutter also works fast to click, and it's quick to focus. Thank you for tuning in, and for more videos like this one, you can subscribe to our channel.